Hi friends, welcome to all. So today I will let you know how to fix if we are getting this issue. Python is not recognized as internal or external commands. So I got some queries. That was the reason I'm making this video. So let me show you the first error here. Let me execute here Python. And I have executed these commands. Now we are getting this error here. So Python is not recognized as internal or external command. Why it happens? Because we missed environmental path. We missed environmental path in Windows. So that was the reason we are getting this issue. So I hope you have seen my video. There I am teaching you how to install Python 3 in Windows 10, 8, and 7. So there, especially I mentioned we need to check mark this option here. So let me show you here. So this is a screenshot I have taken. So here it must be check mark here. So mostly people missed this path. So missed this check mark here. So that was the reason we are getting this issue. So suppose if we missed it, how we can update the path there in Windows environmental path. So we need to click on a start here, and let me type a Python. I need to open Python, default Python IDE. IDE stands for integrated development environments, and let me click on it here. Now let me type import OS, and let me check here current working directory. So this is a function you can check like that here. So mine cases, you will see it is a D drive. Actually, I did a custom installation. That was the reason you are getting here. And might be in your cases, it will comes like under C program files, Python 3. So you need to check is what is your path. So, and one more entry we need to do here, we need to add scripts, Python 3/scripts. So in mine cases, it's the Python 3. If someone have x86, so it will comes like that, x86 Python 3 C program files x86 Python 3/scripts. So it came as like. So if you want to see more path, how we can check here. So let me import one more module, and that is a sys module, and sys.path. You can check all the path here. So now it's a clear, we need to mention d:/Python 3. Okay, so this is my path here. So how we can add it? So let's click on start here. And here we need to find out my PC. Here, now I find out here my PC, and let me right click, and I need to go property and advanced system setting. And here you are able to find environmental variable, and here you are able to see path is option is there. Okay, so let's click, we need to select it. I have selected it here. First select it, that is a must be. Then I need to click on a edit. Now let me click on a new. So what is mine path? Mine path is a here. So already I noted it here. So let me click on here and let me add it here. So I added here, and let me click a more new, and the main we required only Python 3, but let me add this as well also. So let me click on a new here, and let me add it. Now I have added both the path Python 3 and Python 3 scripts here. So let me show you here this path as well also here. So let me click on this PC and D drive. And here you are able to see Python 3, and inside a Python 3, I have given this scripts folder path as well also. And now let me click on OK. And let me click on it. Okay, so I have clicked it here. Now let's check it here. So let me open a CMD here. So command prompt. Okay, this is a command prompt. Let me click on it. So let me type a Python here now. So now you are able to see I am able to execute Python here. So that was the reason we have missed in a environmental path. So make sure you need to check mark. If you are unable to check mark or you have missed it, please follow this video so you can do manually as well also. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.